Let's look at how to freeze pane in Excel. Say for example you are working on a large document in Excel, like this one in front of you right now. If I scroll down, you will see that the headings can't be visible anymore when I scroll down. So there is a way you can lock the heading. You can lock it on top there, so that even as you scroll down, you would still see the headings as you scroll down. The feature you use in Excel to do this is called freeze pane. First of all, click on a cell below the header or any row you want to freeze. Then you go to view and you click on freeze pane. There are three options. Click on the second one. The second option is just for you to freeze the top row alone. Click on the second option to click on the second option to freeze only the top row. Now once you do this, as you scroll, the headers remain at the top, so you know what you are doing, so you can easily fix values in the right column as you do your work. What about if you want to freeze the columns? Say this first column, you want to freeze this first column, the order date column. Go back to freeze pane, click on the arrow beside it. To undo what you have done, to unfreeze the panes, you click on unfreeze pane. Now you want not only the headers to be showing as you scroll down, you want also the dates to show when you scroll to the right. So you click on East. Now click on a cell below the row you want to freeze, and the same cell should be after the column you want to freeze. So click on East and click on this arrow beside freeze pane and click on the first option, freeze panes. So with this, you have freezed the headers, the first row and the first column. So if you scroll down, you see the headers stick to the top, and when you scroll to the right, the date column sticks there, it doesn't move. So that's how to freeze panes in Excel.